My dear, life has not been easy since we parted away. There has not been a single day when I have not thought about you. As each day passes, it becomes more prominent that I made a mistake by letting you go. My heart longs for you every second. There is an emptiness within me that only you can fulfill. Even when I have everything that I have ever desired, my life feels incomplete without you by my side. The days pass by somehow, but the nights are unbearable. I often lie awake in bed, just thinking about the beautiful times that we spent together. I can't help but regret the decision that I took some time back. I need you in my life more than I had previously thought. I need you to feel the happiness in my heart and peace in my soul. I need you for me to have a genuine smile. I need your warm embrace. I miss you more and more with each day. I feel like my heart is mad at me for letting you go. I want to correct my mistake if it is possible. I want to come to you and try once again to make this connection work. What we had was very, very beautiful. I know that I will never find anything like that ever again. I don't know if you will accept me again or not, but I do wish to try with all my heart to win you back into my life. My life is a mess without you. I feel so lost. I sincerely hope that you forgive me and give me a chance to prove that I am serious about making it work. I want to show you with my actions how much you mean to me. I love you a lot, sweetheart. I think I have fallen more in love with you after this separation. I have realized the true value of your love and affection. Now I know that only very few lucky ones are blessed with a love so pure as yours. I want to apologize to you with all my heart and beg for your forgiveness. I was wrong. I made a wrong decision. I truly hope that you hear me out and give me a chance to repent. I will not disappoint you this time. I know I can't erase what happened, but I can replace those hurtful memories with happy ones. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I hope I am successful.